welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to install EkaScribe and how to use EkaScribe on our system. So let's get started. EkaScribe is a voice-powered assistant for healthcare professionals that transcribes spoken patient consultations into structured medical notes in real time. EkaScribe converts speech into well-structured medical notes with minimal effort, recognizes and organizes medical terms automatically. We just have to speak. EkaScribe handles the rest. It supports 10 plus Indian regional languages. We can seamlessly copy the structured notes into our RX pad. It automates repetitive typing and data entry, freeing up more time for patient care. Now let us install the extension on our system, which is the primary step. So let's click on the pop-up at the bottom right. After clicking on the pop-up, we'll be taken to the EkaScribe extension page. This is the Chrome extension for EkaScribe. So let's install the extension on our device. Click on Add to Chrome. On the pop-up, select Add Extension. Now we can see the extension is added on our device. If required, we can instantly start the recording, but let's go to the Eka Appointments tab. Under My OPD, we have a patient. Let's start a visit by clicking on RX right. Inside the RX pad, at the top, we can see EkaScribe. This option will help us to use EkaScribe on the RX pad. Towards the right hand side, we can see a separate tab has opened. This is where we will be able to select our preferences. This is a step which can be skipped. This is not mandatory, but let's understand what are the available options. So first we have input language. Up to 2 input languages can be selected depending upon the patient's requirement and our preference. So I'm selecting 2 languages here. Transcription language, output transcription language can be selected here. I'm selecting Hindi. We have output format. Currently 2 output formats can be selected out of 3 output formats that we have. Eka EMR format, this is the format which outputs the data which we can use to fill our EMR pad in a single click. Clinical notes, this format captures only the medical contents from the conversation and displays it in a structured format in text. Transcription, this format captures the entire recording verbatim, same to same as the doctor or patient has spoken with no editing. So let's select at least 2 formats. It's not mandatory to select like I said. Below we have 2 options. Under mode, we can select our preferred mode. We have 2 modes totally as of now. Consultation mode works best when patient and doctor both are available. Dictation mode works best when the patient is connected telephonically or through online consultation where doctor has to dictate to EkaScribe. Under model, we have 2 models. Lightweight, faster results with balanced accuracy. It takes lesser time when compared to Pro. Pro model is our best model built for maximum accuracy. It may take a little longer than light model. Below we have a button. If this option is enabled, we will be able to get an audio notification whenever we initiate the recording or when we stop the recording. Below we have previous notes. When we click on previous sessions, we'll be able to view our previously recorded sessions. Let's click on next. Here again we can edit our preferences. Now let's start a recording. So let me show you how this works. So let's click on start recording. What brings you in today? I've been having chest pain for the past 2 days, doctor. Can you describe the pain and point to where exactly it hurts? It's here in the middle of my chest, feels like pressure and burning, gets worse when I walk. Does the pain spread anywhere else? Yes, sometimes to my left arm and jaw. Any other symptoms like sweating, shortness of breath or nausea? Yes, I feel sweaty and short of breath when the pain comes. Let's do some examination now. So we can click on this button and pause the recording if anything else needs to be done in between the consultation. Like let's say we want to check the patient or we want to do some examination. And if we want to resume, we can click on the resume button. After examination and ECG, your symptoms suggest angina. I'm prescribing medications and ordering some tests. I'm prescribing EcoSprint. 75 mg once daily after breakfast. Sorbitret 5 mg sublingual tablet. Keep it under your tongue when you get chest pain. Get these tests done: complete blood count, lipid profile, cardiac enzymes, ECG. Return immediately if pain becomes severe or lasts longer than 20 minutes. Schedule a follow-up in 3 days with test results. Should I avoid any activities, doctor? Yes, please avoid strenuous physical activities. Take rest when pain occurs. Avoid heavy meals. Call emergency service if pain is severe or prolonged. Thank you, doctor. Please collect your prescription and test forms from the front desk. Don't hesitate to return if symptoms worsen. Now, after finishing the consultation, we can click on the stop recording button. Below, there are some more options. If we want to resume, we can click on not yet and we can resume the recording. But if consultation is completed, we can click on yes, I'm done. Cancel recording can be used to initiate a fresh recording. So let's assume this session is complete. So let's click on yes, I'm done. Now EkaScribe will analyze and it will generate our results. It will take some seconds. So let's give it some time. Meanwhile, towards the left hand side, we can see there's nothing added on the prescription pad. This is pretty much blank. Right hand side, we can see our result is ready. And when we click on this drop down, we can see the two formats that we had selected. These are the two output formats which we selected previously. If we want to download the recording, we have the option available here. Now let's say we want to start another recording. Let's assume we forgot something. We can click on start another recording and we can add. So let's click on copy to EMR so that we can copy this result to our EMR pad. If the work with EkaScribe is complete, we can click on this close button. Now let's click on the preview button. Our prescription is ready through EkaScribe. There are a few things which we might have to check. So firstly, let's go to the medication section. Under medication section, we will have to review the medicines once because the medicines that we have added in the database and the medicines that we give through EkaScribe can override. So please check the dose, frequency, timing, duration, everything before giving the prescription to the patient. And under notes section, we won't be able to add anything through EkaScribe under private notes. Custom section, so if we have created any custom section and if we want to add anything through EkaScribe, we won't be able to add. As of now, these are not available. So after previewing, if everything is fine, we can click on finish prescription. With this, the patient's prescription is ready and we can click on end visit. This is how simple and easy it is to use EkaScribe on EkaCare, which will help us to write our prescriptions faster. Thank you for watching.